आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं यूआई डिज़ाइन के बारे में। ज़्यादातर लोगों की प्रॉब्लम ये रहती है कि दे ट्राई टू फिगर आउट द वेज ऑन हाउ दे कैन गेट बेटर एट यूआई डिज़ाइन, हाउ दे कैन इम्प्रूव देयर यूआई डिज़ाइन स्किल्स। तो आज हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे, हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर यूआई स्किल्स, what are the step by step methods that you all can follow so that you will be able to create a good design for your client. So first thing, what is UI design? So UI design deals with traditional concepts like visual design, colors and typography. It tends to be a specific of screens focusing on the labels, guidelines, layouts and structure. So it plays mostly around the visuals of your product, like your app. So how the whole app should look, the colors, the typography, the layout and everything that comes under UI design. And the UX is something that UX is how it feels. Main difference you can call between UX and UI is how it looks and UX is how it feels. So this is the main difference of UI and UX. If you want to know the detailed difference between UI and UX, just let me know in the comment box. We'll make a separate video on that. So for now, let's focus on UI design. So what are the methods that you all should follow to improve your UI design skills? So let's begin. The first thing that comes when you are about to start your design or start your designing process. So first thing is, you all should know the basic principles of design. What are those principles and fundamentals that you all should keep in mind while designing a product, app or a website? You all must know the constraints. What are the limitations while designing? What are the key principles that you all should keep in mind while designing, and that has to be followed every time. So there are numerous websites from which you all can learn about the principles and the fundamentals of UI, UX. What are the things that you all should keep in mind? So of course there are numerous websites and I'll list them below so that you all can check it out. So the first website is principles.design. You all can see here that they have mentioned the design principles. The collection contains 195 examples, 1448 design principles, 167 creators, and they have specifically mentioned what are the design principles. Design principles are a set of considerations that form the basis of any good product. And as you can see, they have listed some of the principles like 10 principles of good road design, then Airbnb's design principles. What are the principles that they have followed to create their product, their app or website? And also there are many principles. You all can go through it, see all 195 examples. Still 195 examples are there, so you'll get to learn a lot of things from this website. Then comes the second website, that is lawsofux.com. It is also one of the best website you can call. First of all, the way they have represented all the laws, it just looks amazing. And you all can see they have listed the laws in a very systematic way, like Hicks law, Jacob's law, then law of proximity, then the Pareto principle, then Parkinson's law. So there are numerous laws that you all should follow while designing, and you all should keep them in mind while you are designing anything. So just go through this website. It is really helpful, and I'm sure that if you follow these principles, then you will definitely get better at UI design and also UX. Also there are many websites and I'll list them below. You all can check it out. So then comes the second method, and it is start looking for inspirations. Create a mood board to set a mood for your design, how your design should look like. So just make it a habit before starting with actual design. Create a mood board. It helps you stay connected with the theme that you have chosen and how your app or website should look like. Make it a habit. Create mood boards, look for inspirations. Then the third thing, which is very much important, is looking out for the new trends. What are the new trends that are followed in the community? What are the trends that many of the designers are using, and what are the different styles that they are using while designing their product? Like there are numerous types like neumorphism, skeuomorphism or flat design. So there are numerous types and styles. So you all should be in touch with all those. You all should know what are the trends that are being followed currently. So just look out for that and try to learn from it. Then also one of the main point that you all should know and that you all should follow is find a good mentor. Why you need a mentor is because a mentor will always guide you whether you are on a right track or not, whether you are going in a proper direction, whether you are designing properly, or whether you are missing some things. So a mentor is someone who will definitely guide you and help you in your learning process. The main and the most important thing is be open to criticism. So what does it mean? So whenever we design something, what we do is we just fall in love with our designs, so that someone, even if someone says this is not looking good, or this has to be something like up or down, so we feel a little offended, and there comes an end of our learning process. If we feel offended by someone's feedback or someone's suggestions, then we won't be able to develop the skill that has to be followed to be a great UI designer. So be open to criticism. So take it in a constructive manner, so that you will be open to learn new things, and it will really help you to grow in this field. Not only in this field, in every field it helps, but especially in this field, if you are open to feedback, then definitely you will learn a lot of things. Also, you can find mentors on number of platforms, like you can find it on LinkedIn, Instagram, Dribble, or there are many websites, Behance, where you can find mentors. You all can just make your portfolio and mail your portfolio to a designer that you know, and just ask them to review your portfolio. What are the corrections that I can make to improve my skills or to improve my portfolio? So just be open to that and try to connect more and be in the community of the designers, so that if you are in that environment, then it feels good. And also one more last thing, that is practice. The more you practice, the more you will get better in this. Even if you know hundreds of principles, and if you don't practice, then there is no use of that. So you have to practice. And also, practice makes man perfect. So that's the thing. So these were some of the methods or step-by-step process you can call, which will help you to be a good UI designer or to develop your UI skills. I also follow all these methods while creating designs, so, and it really helps me, and I thought to make a video to share with you all, so that you all can get better in this field. So this was about UI design skills, how you can develop your UI design skills. And if you have enjoyed this video and if you feel it's helpful in some way, then I would appreciate if you like, share and comment your views, whatever it may be. Just comment it down, and you all can mention the topics on which you need a video. We'll definitely make one. So that's it. See you in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, peace out.